In this video, I will show you how to check CPU temp Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, whilst Windows 11 doesn't have any built-in feature that allows you to check the CPU temp, there is something you can do. So what you want to do is open up a new internet browser, come across to google.com and search for something called HWiNFO64. Now, what you want to do is click onto the first result. So this is going to take you to the official website, which is cpuid.com. And what you want to do is just scroll down on the homepage. You're going to see the setup button just down here. So go ahead, give that a click. There's a few ads on here, so you just want to go ahead and close down the ads and then click the download now button. And that's going to download this onto your PC. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and run this to install HWiNFO64 on your PC. So to run through the steps, get that installed. Then what we're going to do is come back to my desktop and you can see we've got the HWiNFO64 installed. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and double click, and this is going to open up HWiNFO64. What this basically does, HW stands for hardware monitor. So what it does, it basically scans your PC or laptop and it monitors your hardware. So once this opens up, what you want to do is look for your CPU. You can see there's a few different things on here. Now, if you don't know what your CPU is, you can actually come down, and if you click onto the search box in your taskbar and type system information, you want to open that up underneath press match. Now in here, you want to find your processor. So this is your CPU. That's going to tell you what your CPU processor is. So you can see in my case, it's a 12th gen Intel Core i7. So all we need to do is find that on the HWiNFO64. So you can see that's here, Intel Core i7. So if we expand this, and we're going to find some more information, and what we want to look for is the temperatures. Now you can see there's three values. You've got the minimum value, the maximum value, and just a average value, which is what is currently averaging at the moment. Now the maximum value is the highest that the temperature has ever reached. The minimum is the minimum value, and of course this is just a real-time tracking of your current CPU temp. And this does monitor it in real time, so if you want to check sort of how certain games or apps affect your CPU temperature, then you can leave this window open and of course open up a different app or CPU or something like that. And then of course use this monitor to check the temperature. So that is how to check CPU temp in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.